if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, just do it. What do you have to lose? Theoretically, let's say you start a YouTube channel and you get absolutely no views. Who's going to know if you failed? If you qualify that as failing. I personally don't. I see it as you trying a new type of small business, and it just didn't work out that time. So you could always delete that channel, delete those videos if you want to, and just start a different YouTube channel and try from a different angle. YouTube is really interesting in the sense that a lot of your numbers are pushed by the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm like just takes all of the data that you're inputting into your own channel and trying to figure out, okay, what is the best audience for this channel? And it's possible that the content that you are starting out with isn't suitable for a lot of audiences. Maybe you'll find like 10 people that actually really enjoys your videos. Maybe you'll find 5, maybe you'll find none. Either way, if this is something that you want to really get into, then it's worth putting some content out there and seeing what works. I'm entering a very different phase of this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel has gone through multiple phases over the last almost decade at this point, and a lot of my videos are still getting views on the back end. Sure, my newer videos might get like 100 views or like, you know, a couple hundred views, maybe if I'm lucky gets a couple thousand, but I'm entering this stage where I really don't care about how many views I'm getting like per video when it's initially starting out. I kind of just like publish a bunch of videos and just kind of see which ones are pushed by the YouTube algorithm and which one people actually enjoy watching. In addition to the fact that at this point I'm kind of doing this for myself, YouTube is a nice stream of income for me, but at the same time I really enjoy making YouTube videos. And some of my videos in the past have just been like, you know, tutorials and stuff, which is great in terms of like generating revenue, but they aren't really videos I like to go back and watch and see myself develop as a small business owner, which is why I'm starting to make videos like this moving forward, in addition to the tutorials, because that's what's actually paying the bills. And it isn't about any fancy equipment or anything like that. I actually really enjoy just recording with my smartphone at this point, just in my dungy little basement, and using this mic that I picked up on Amazon for like 13-15 bucks, something like that, like a couple years ago. So this is a really old microphone, and I think it actually produces pretty decent audio quality. And in my opinion, a lot of the videos that I'm watching on YouTube nowadays are like over edited. There's like so much going on. Every couple seconds there's just something new flashing on the screen, or like just zooming in over here, different person speaking over here. This is too much. I enjoy like the classic YouTube videos where I could just play and have somebody talking throughout the video, narrating and just going over one topic. The on-screen elements are great too if you're just sitting there watching and engaging in the content, but overall it's mostly the discussion and narration that I'm a huge fan of as I get older. So I figured, why not start producing content that are like more podcast style, where I just speak about one topic or 2 topics depending on the video, and seeing if people like it. I personally enjoy making videos like this, which is why I'm going to focus most of 2024 making videos like this, like I mentioned earlier. In conclusion, if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you're just worried about failing, don't worry about it. If you fail on YouTube and no one's watching, no one's even going to know. So why not give it a shot and produce videos? Starting this business is essentially free. If you have a smartphone, you might want to throw 20 bucks to try to get a decent microphone, because audio quality is important, because no one's just going to watch you if the whole time they can't hear what you're saying, or if there's a bunch of echo going on. But there's a bunch of cheap options. Enough of my rant. Get started today.